What says the holidays more than that old festive treat, chocolate-covered jalapenos? Yes, that's right. I am going to show you how to make chocolate-covered jalapenos. You start with 2 jalapenos. These have been sitting in my fridge for a couple of weeks. They're a little shitty. They got some weird spots, but hey, whatever. We're going to add some chocolate chips to a bowl. Yeah, I know it's hard to follow along so far. Then we're going to do this the easy way. We're going to microwave these chocolate chips to melt them and get them all nice and tempered for about, 6 minutes, all right? 6 minutes on high should be good. Yeah, don't even stop to stir. Just 6 minutes straight on high should be fine. Yeah, and then after about 6 minutes on high, you're going to end up with some chocolate that looks something like this, all right? Yeah, 6 solid minutes should do this. And don't even worry about it. Just leave it in there for 6 minutes. And then we're going to dunk these little fuckers right in there. That's right. Yeah, jalapenos right into the chocolate. Now, you got this little spoon over here because the jalapeno's curved. So unless you got the right vessel, unlike I do, you're going to have to give it a little assistance, you know, give it a little chocolate bathing there. Yeah, buddy, get real in there. Get right in there, real deep like. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, look at those beauties, huh? Chocolate-covered jalapenos. It wouldn't be Christmas time without these wonderful turd-like treats, right? They look like they completely should be in your toilet. Maybe they should be. Who knows? But I'm telling you, you got to make these for Christmas time. You'll make them again and again. Isn't that good? Yeah, buddy.